Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of graphic card AORUS GeForce RTX 2070 Super 8G. After that, click on the product. Now you can see 2.0 and 1.0. There are two graphic card but drivers, and you select any. Installations driver downloading process same. Now you select which is using. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations processing. So first this is audio, first this is NVIDIA driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will complete 4 to 5 minutes, then I show you installations process. So you have to click click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed, then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.